Hi guys. Sorry I haven't been active lately. I've been sick. But yeah. But I'm gonna make this video. I have to leave shortly. I have to go somewhere at 5:35. So I made this quick, but you know how I do the monthly smoke detector? Well, I'm gonna try to do it once a week. It says you should test them weekly. So what I'm gonna do is every Monday of the week I'm gonna test the smoke detector. So before I go, I'm gonna get this done. Hold on a sec. Come on. Sorry, I'm looking at something. I had to leave, so I'm gonna make this really quick. Let's start with this one today. Man, that's loud. Okay, let's do this one. We all know this one. Come on. Waiting for that light to turn on. Kinda sucks. There. Because I'm very short on time, so I'm really short on time, so trying to make this quick. Now this one. Sorry for the shakiness.
Fire, fire. Warning, carbon
Man, that's
monoxide.
loud. I think the loudest one is the CO2 one in the hall. That's the loudest. There you guys go. 521. I'm going to do something that's really crazy here. What I'm going to do now is I'm not going to plug it downstairs. I'm going to unplug that detector. See if we can hear the other arms with it. So, here we go.
Fire, fire.
I'm surprised I don't have hearing damage. Holy shit. Come on!
Warning, carbon monoxide.
This thing's loud as hell. Oh my god, this is loud. Excuse me, Barney. Just checking something. Okay. Put it in here. Go see how. Where's the remote? See how far we can hear that. I'm sure on time. I better hurry up. Hear it in here. Hear it in here. Okay, one more room, the basement. I don't want the neighbors to get mad, so. Alright, let's shut that off. And this is still messed up too. That pole station. Oh, one more room. Okay, that's it. Let's shut it off. Oh my god. Okay, let's wait for the light to turn back on. Then we'll call this video. I want to test it one more time to see if it's back to normal. This is the last time. Sorry, I keep looking out the window here. I'm gonna be picked up shortly, so. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, come on. Come on, turn green. It's not turn green. Should be any time. Did I do something wrong? There we go. Sorry, I'm really in a hurry, so. Alright, that's gonna be it, guys. Everything's back to normal now, so. Yep. Bedroom light can go off. I'm gonna shut down now because I'm gonna be going probably in the next 15 minutes. So, I should be back at 8. Stay tuned for the next weekly smoke detector test, which instead of doing them monthly, I'm going to do them weekly. So this is going to be titled Weekly Smoke Detector Test 1, not 2. So I'm going to do them weekly now, so we know it's just test the jailer first, so I'm going to shut. Stupid TV didn't feel like turning off. And I'll upload this when I come back, so. Yeah. Let me get this light. My phone can go off too. I don't want that on right now. I'll just shut this off. I'll be back around 8, so make sure it actually shuts off. There. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna head out now, so that's gonna be it for now. Bye-bye.